Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, we would like to thank the supervising lecturer, namely Mr. Rizky Shafril, SHIMSE, who has allowed us to present the result of our discussion or introduction from Group 11. The members are myself, Ivandra Syaputra,
Eka Dayan,
Jihan Syakia Putri Maharani, Naila Gusti Gendri.
Well, on this occasion, we will discuss the division of public system and private system. The material will be delivered by my colleague. The first will be delivered by Deka. The Deka is welcome.
what is law? In a general sense, law is something that lives and develops in society, such as customary law, religious law, including laws made by humans. What is a legal system? The legal system is a complete unity of systems consisting of parts or elements that are closely related and interconnected, where to achieve the same goal, certain legal plans and patterns. Three components of the legal system. First, structural components explain the part of the legal system that function as law-making institution. Second, substance component contains real results published by the legal system. Third, cultural and legal components are attitudes or culture held by the citizens of the community.
The next material will be delivered by Jihan. Jihan is welcome too.
Next, legal classification. According to Peter Mahmud Marzuki, there are two reasons for the classification of public law and private law. One, the first reason is because it functions to carry out the will of the people. Two, the second reason is regarding the relationship he regulates. What is public law? Public law is that regulates state administration. State agency or institution carry out their duties and authority. The relation of legal relation between the government. Relation of legal relation between state or government institution.
The next material will be delivered by Naila. Naila is welcome too.
Public law and its divisions. First, criminal law. What is meant by criminal law? Criminal law is the entire set of regulations or legal norms that regulate acts that can be punished for violating criminal regulations. Two, state administrative law. State administrative law is the law that regulates the interaction between one position and another, and the law that regulates the interaction between government officials and their citizens. 3. Constitutional law. What is meant by state administrative law is all the regulations or legal norms that regulate the basis and objective of the state, the form of the state, the form of government, the system of government, and the division of powers of the state organization and its citizenship. 4. International law. International law is all legal regulations or norms and legal principles that regulate relations between state and government institutions. administrative procedural law. It is the entire set of regulations or legal norms that regulate the procedure on how to maintain material constitutional law if it is violated. 7. State administrative procedural law. It is a set of regulations or legal norms that regulate how to implement and defend one's right in state administrative courts or law that regulate the procedures for disputes between individuals or state legal entities.
Number 2, private law and its division. What is private law? Private law is law that regulates social order concerning individual or personal interest in matters concerning A. Family relationship, B. Managing personal wealth, C. Relationship between individuals or private persons, D. Relationship involving members of society or government. First, civil law. Civil law is the totality of legal regulation or norms that regulate legal relation between individual or legal entities that prioritize personal or individual interests.
According to legal science, civil law contained in the civil code can be divided into 4 parts namely. 1. Individual law. Regulation regarding humans are legal subjects. Regulation on the capacity to have right and to act independent in exercising those rights. 2. Family law. Marriage and the property relationship between husband and wife, relationship between parents and children, guardianship, forbidden marriage. 3. Property law. Absolute right, namely rights that apply to every person, individual rights, namely rights that only apply to a particular person or party. 4. Inheritance law. Inheritance law regulates a person, object, or asset if he is. 2. Commercial law. Understanding. Commercial law is a regular or norm that govern relation between individuals in the field or in a trading business. Thus, in general, trade in commercial law, business law is statewide. 1. Carrying or moving goods from place. 2. Moving goods from producer to consumer. 3. International civil law. International private law, the entire set of legal regulation or norm and of legal principles that regulate legal relation between individual and private bodies. International private law essentially discuss primary point of connection determining a legal interaction between individuals. 1. Secondary point of connection which determine which country law will be. 2. Case of law. 3. Introduction problem. 4. Right acquired.
Civil procedural law. Civil procedural law is the entire set of legal regulations or norms that govern the procedure of individuals or legal entities others exercise their rights in religious court. 6. Marriage law. Marriage law is the entire set of regulations or legal norms that regulate how individuals, namely one man and another woman, can marry or form a household along with their respective rights and obligations. 7. Labor law. Nowadays, it is often known as employment law, namely legal norms that regulate the relationship between individuals who are usually called workers and individuals who are called employers, when the employers are the ones who provide jobs for the workers. 8. Agrarian law. Agrarian law is the entire set of legal regulations or norms, both written and unwritten, concerning defense, including land, water, and natural resources.
Conclusion. Public and private law are both regulations that govern social life. The only difference between these two legal systems is that public law discusses more about public or state interests, while private law priorities individual interests. Public law is maintained by the state, while private law is maintained by individuals.
Okay, well, that is the presentation of the result of our discussion. We apologize if there are any mistakes in our presentation, and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.